Hi and welcome to another SM2 training video. Let's start getting familiar with the software with a quick overview of different interface elements once you log in. As always, you can contact Coencorp tech support if you're experiencing issues or have a system-related question. To instantly view our contact info, including the number to call for live phone support, simply click the SM2 logo in the top left corner of the screen. The tabs to the right of the logo represent the software modules that were delivered with your system. Only the modules paid for with your SM2 license will appear, but you always have the option to add additional modules, such as maintenance management, real-time GPS asset tracking, and even different tiers of tech support, including 24/7, should your needs evolve. Simply contact us for more information, including module details and pricing. Clicking each tab opens its corresponding submodule menu in the blue navigation bar, as well as all saved and shared views. Don't worry, we'll get to all of that in subsequent videos. On the far right side of the blue navigation menu, you will find two items. Clicking the little megaphone displays the notifications pertaining to the software module in which you are currently working. The Help item opens a list of links to various knowledge-based documents for both SM2 in general and the current module. Right above Notifications and Help is the Logout button. SM2 will log you out automatically after 15 minutes of inactivity. When you are done working in the software, it is especially important to log out before closing the browser or browser tab. Otherwise, you will not be able to regain access until 15 minutes have passed and the system logs you out of your current session. This is it for basic navigation. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.